In comparison to the Leaf, this car is so much more agile. It feels lighter. I think that has something to do with the center of gravity of this car. All the batteries are placed underneath the seat, closer to the floor, giving it a nice low center of gravity. Additionally, this car has a 123 horsepower electric motor. That's 5 more horsepower than the regular Fit. And now it's in this electric model with 188 foot-pound of torque. The Fit EV, just like the CR-Z, has 3 different driving modes. There's an eco mode so that you can get the most out of your battery. There's also a normal mode, and there's a sport mode that allows you to get all the power of this electric motor. Obviously, when you turn on the sport mode, you're going to lose a little bit of range, but it is sportier. Now, the Honda people had us going through an autocross, and it might sound a little funny for a Honda Fit, but this was a ton of fun on that thing. There's also a surprising lack of body roll. For an electric vehicle, this is a ton of fun. If you're not into a sporty feeling car, the Eco button here puts the car into a much more gentle mode that just glides through all of these intersections and these streets. It really does feel almost luxurious in a way. And it allows you to get every last bit of juice in that battery. One of the problems I do have with the car is that, like the FCX Clarity hydrogen vehicle, this car has to come in a 3-year lease. Honda is going to be charging you $389 per month. One of the cool things about the Honda Fit EV is that in its sat-nav is this EV charging station button, which when you press, allows you to find out which type of charging station you need to find. So we're going to find a 240 volt station, and we're going to see what's the closest one. And there we go, that one's only 2.4 miles away. And we can set that as our destination, and we can go right over there and start charging this car. There's some other things that help improve the Fit EV's range. Things like this front bumper here, these side skirts, and this really cool spoiler back here. Also, cargo space is generally exactly the same, actually, than in the regular Fit. No compromises here when you add the extra batteries. You'll also notice this reflective blue paint that's exclusive to the Honda Fit EV. Some would say it's pretty electric. With the Honda Fit EV, Honda's created something that's really special in the electric car segment. It's fun to drive, it looks good, and it goes far on a single charge.